Good morning. I'm live, exercise live. I'm walking through the woods, walking through the woods. So that's my journey this morning. Walking through the woods. This is it. Journey with me. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are walking through the woods this morning. This morning we'll be traveling in the woods. So I'm in the woods. Good morning. Walking through the woods. Nice, peaceful, quiet morning. I'm truly enjoying it. Oh my God. I am enjoying it. It is so peaceful. It is cool. It is quiet. Not getting any sun, even though I need the sun. And I'm getting my steps in. Good morning. I have 7 persons on the live. Thanks for joining. Thank you very much. So I'm in the woods this morning. Okay. Oops, this is a little hill. People, this is a little hill. This is a little hill. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh, I'm over it. Woo. There goes a squirrel. There he is on the tree. Ah, he's gone home. Hey, there he is. All right. Hey, hi. Hey. DB. I'll just call you DB. How you doing? Thanks for joining me. All the squirrels are out. Let me see if I can bring them up. How you doing? So I'm in the woods. That's my journey this morning. Hi, yes, I'm good. Maria. Hi, Maria. Thanks for joining. I'm walking in the woods, so I'm enjoying it. I like that. I like that piece of wood. So this morning I decided not to stay on the road, but to take the woods instead. That's a nice scenery. Hi. Thank you very much for your subscription. Thanks. Maria, I thank you so much. Are you hearing me? If you're hearing me, say hi. Maria, are you hearing? This thing is low. Are you hearing? Hey, Eric. I'm in the woods this morning. I am walking in the woods. So it's nice and cool. And I'm actually sweating, so I'm getting a good walk. This is America. Eric. There goes a bird. Oh, you are? Maria? Nice. And Eric? Good. Thanks, guys. I'm just enjoying this morning. I am truly enjoying it. There you go. From Florida to El Salvador. Okay. So while you make that transition, Florida, there goes to El Salvador. That's where you were born, Eric? Yeah, I like it. I like the scenery. I like the quietness, the peacefulness. You can clear your mind, use it as a stress relief. It's it's just breathtaking. Take your breath away, I'm telling you. But I thought you said Florida. No, this is confusing now. Because you have here from Florida to El Salvador, then Detroit, then Florida. Mm-mm. This sounds like confusion. Well, that's okay. That's okay. DB, that's fine. Hate is a very strong word for someone that don't know you. Right, so, okay, Eric, that's good. I'm exercising. Yes, it is a beautiful park. Oh, up a hill. Ooh. My God. Whew. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a little street. Walking in the woods, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing today. We are in the woods today. This is our journey. Hello. Journey with me in the woods. So we're in the woods this morning. Hold him, please. Hold him, please, sir. I'm afraid of dog. Could you hold him? Sir! Jesus. Man, seen dog come after me and him stand up and look. Can you imagine? Oh my God. Oh gosh, I just got scared. I'm afraid of dog. You never can tell what dogs will do. You can't have your dog just running down on people like that. How many cases people hear of dogs biting their owners? How many cases? You can't just have your dog letting go, let loose the dog like that. You see him running towards me and he's not even trying to tell the dog to come. I'm saying hold the dog. Yo, I will. I can't believe this. Thanks for joining my live. In the live now. I don't even know if we delete that section out of it. People, thanks for joining my live, but I'm gonna have to end the live right now. Thanks, everybody. Thank you very much.